Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Aiza DP's Corner. How are you friends? I hope you are all well and I pray that you are all well. Friends, in my different videos I bring poetry, photo wallpapers and different profile pictures for you. But in this you will be able to see girls' DPs and different poses ideas, how you can capture your pictures and your selfies, your profile pictures. You can choose the ideas and different DPs collection for your social accounts. You can take the screenshot and save in your gallery and set on your social accounts, WhatsApp, profile pictures, Facebook and different ideas you can choose from this video. I hope you like these ideas friends. If you like these ideas, then you like my video and subscribing my channel. Also press the bell icon, then you easily getting the notification of my new videos and choose the ideas according to your choice. Different DPs collection, different wallpaper ideas and photo poses collection you can choose from my channel's video. You can tell me in comment section about your choice if you want the ideas and videos, wallpaper ideas, different profile pictures and DPs. Then I will make a different videos and ideas according to your choice. Friends, you can watch video till end and choose the girls DPs collection in hidden faces and different poses ideas, hijab DPs, different in dresses. You can choose the hidden faces ideas for you and choose the ideas easily. And tell me in comment section if you like these ideas. I am waiting your comments and you can appreciate me on my efforts. These are very beautiful DPs and very amazing ideas. Friends, I have brought different poetry DPs, different wallpaper ideas and DPs collection for you. You can visit my channel and watch the videos and tell me in comment section. I am waiting your comments. Now friends, I am going. We meet in next video with different idea and different video. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Until then, take care. Goodbye.